I went from this bleached blonde with brown virgin roots to light brown using demi-permanent hair dye, and I've noticed some interesting stuff once my new red hair color started fading. But first we need red hair. So my hair is officially red. This red was really gorgeous. It changed color in different lighting, like I would have subtle red hair while it was cloudy, bright red hair when the sun was shining through my hair, and burgundy when I was facing the sun. How crazy is that? I absolutely loved having red hair, but there were some disadvantages to this. And the first one being, it fades fast. This is after the first wash and it's still pretty bright. Second wash. Okay, there was a big difference. My hair was a lot more burgundy, I had pink undertones, and although it was still a nice red, it definitely lost its brightness. And I guess most people would recolor or use a red shampoo or conditioner. You can mix your own by simply adding some red dye into conditioner. But honestly, I wanted the red to wash out. Disadvantage number 2, it stains everything. This is mainly when you use direct dye. I used permanent, high lift, bright red in the past, and I don't remember ever dealing with this, but in our bathroom we have white floor, white sink and white worktop around the sink, and God forbid that one hair fell on any of them. Or even better, dry hair that I can't see and pick up, only to get wet later and stain the white. I had to stay away from white hats, white t-shirts, of course white bedding. Once majority of the red washed out, it was fine, but when it was bright, it wasn't practical at all. I would also like to point out that I used a regular shampoo, but not a Head and Shoulders that would probably strip the red out in one wash. And I washed my hair in warm water. I believe you need to use a gentle shampoo and cold or lukewarm water if you wanted to slow down the fading. What I wanted to mention was the fact that I have noticed that towards the end of my red hair journey, the lengths of my hair were really just becoming a lovely light brown color, where my virgin roots were at the time when I colored my hair red. That section was very reddish. I can definitely see how much more the red sticks to my healthy virgin hair as opposed to my unhealthy bleached hair, and it makes complete sense and I understand why. But what's crazy was that my roots had a red tint to them, whilst the rest of my hair was proper red for ages, in the world of red hair that is. And once the red dye washed out, I expected my roots to be just brown, but now comparing them to the rest of my hair, it's the most red. I mean a reddish brown. So if you have virgin hair, expect it to be reddish for a very long time. And here I am working on another video for my other YouTube channel where I make jewelry, singing to Enigma. It was filmed earlier this week, so this is what my hair looks like nowadays. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you ever had red hair or want to become a redhead. Subscribe, like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!